Hey guys, it's Noah Hackworth here. We're about to unbox a LG portable air conditioner that's for the shop. So we're about to unbox. Do you need to cut it down here or should I just cut the straps? Cut the white straps here. So there. Number 2. And here we go. That doesn't Alright. Piece of styrofoam. I swear this looked like a dryer plug. But it's not. Here's the vent hose with some rubber strap, some weather strip, whatever you want to call it. Batteries for the remote. Here's the remote and the plastic. Oh, this does have a drain. Yeah, it has a drain right here. Did it come with a drain hose? Okay, so oh yeah, here's a filter and the coil. So I'm gonna do a part 2 video. So see you then.